Hello everyone, it's my first ever Nomadik unboxing. I didn't like the intro to this video, so I'm just recording over it. I did pay full price for a year's worth of these Nomadik subscription boxes. It's a subscription box specifically for people who like the outdoors, camping, hiking, survivalists. There's lots of cool different things that you get. I've received August and September, so if you're interested in looking at September's, I will leave that link for that video below. And always remember, in the descriptions, I will leave you guys all of the discount codes I received when I received the box. So please enjoy the video. And I highly recommend this box to anyone who loves the outdoors and loves to try new products. Use them as well. They have descriptions for each product, but I kind of did my own research on all of their websites. So let's just start with the big item, cool item in the box, which is this Grand Trunk camping hammock. I wouldn't necessarily call it a camping hammock, I guess. It's not like a tent hammock. It's called the starter hammock. It's to get you into hammock camping or into, you know, high quality hammocks. So this on their website retails for $30. They advertise it as kind of their more basic starter hammock. Again, I'm super pumped about this. I was actually looking at some hammocks. I've never used one. Never brought one with me. It advertises it for road trips and all kinds of cool things. So I'm super excited about this. It can hold 300 pounds. And apparently it has carabiners in there all ready to go to attach to a tree. So I think I'm gonna do another video of me testing this out. I'm sure I'm gonna love it. I don't know why anyone would not like to have a hammock. So yeah, this is the Grand Trunk starter hammock. They have several other hammocks on their website that look pretty cool and interesting. They retail between like the $30 price range and the like $100 price range. So you can kind of go as big or little as you'd like. So the second coolest item, I think, in my opinion, is these UCO hurricane matches. These are those matches that are designed to light, even if they're wet, they're more waterproof, they're windproof, they're designed to be kind of a life-saving type item. You could use these for more than just camping. You could use these for like tornado emergency kits, hurricane emergency kits, or if you're a prepper, I think these would be a good investment. And the coolest thing about them is they're affordable. A pack similar to this is only like $5 on their website. They have one pack that I'm actually considering getting if I like these. It comes in like a canister with all the matches, and it has a carabiner hook on it, which I think would be really nice to just hook on the back of your pack. And anytime you wanted to stop and have a fire, you wouldn't have to worry about digging to the bottom of your pack for your matches. So I'm definitely gonna try these out. I'm sure they work great. I don't know, I'm excited. If you've tried these, let me know what you think. Next is, this is probably my third favorite thing because I know I'm gonna use this. I could have used this a million times by now. This is the Tenacious Tape mini patches, and they are these clear patches, pre-cut, that you stick to whatever you want. They advertise it for mostly down coats and gear. I think these would have worked great on my mesh of my tent last year that started to rip. Also, whenever I'm out hiking around the farmland we have and crawling around on the barbed wire while I'm hunting, I always manage to rip something of mine. So I'm super pumped about these. I hope they work well. I'm gonna try them on my tent, I think, before I try them on anything else. I don't really have anything currently that has rips or anything, but I imagine this would be good in emergency kits and things. And also, like if your tent has a zipper pocket in it, you could put one of these in there, so that way you always had a patch for your tent, just in case. If you buy in a good quality tent, you probably don't need patches, but I had a tent for 5 years, and some of the mesh was starting to wear away, and yeah, bugs were getting in. I think it would have been really handy to have. The next thing is this Skratch Labs hydration mix, which actually retails for quite a bit. I don't think I mentioned what this retails for. This retails for $8 on their website, which is super affordable. The Skratch Labs, if you wanted to buy a pack of these, which is like a pack of 20, is $20, which is pretty steep, but I suppose if you were to get them for a long distance hike or something, it'd be worth the investment. I've never been into hydration packs that much, but I find that the older I get, the harder time I have with the whole hydration thing. I don't know how to explain it. Like whenever I go hiking anymore, my hands start to swell really bad and get kind of crampy, even if I've drank lots of water. So maybe this is something I will start to use. I'll give it a try. If it tastes good, maybe I'll try a pack. I don't know. If you guys have any other hydration packs you recommend, let me know. I will try them out. Those, I said those retail for $20 in a pack. Nomadik also sent me a sticker. I love stickers. And then lastly are these two items from Ursa Major, which is a face brand, a skincare brand. This face balm I probably won't use. This is probably more for someone who is doing a long distance hike in the winter or in the cold and does not want to trap their face. Not really my thing. I don't do long distance hiking or anything like that. However, the face wipes I'm actually really intrigued by. They are made of bamboo, which makes me curious to know if they are biodegradable. If they were, that would be a plus, because personally, and I feel like a lot of maybe women do this, is even when I'm camping or hiking, I have to wash my face. Like I can't sleep if my face is disgusting. And so I actually already bring face wipes with me. That's something I've been doing for years. And I've actually spent years trying to find biodegradable face wipes that were decent. So they don't advertise these as biodegradable, so I wouldn't just throw them in the dirt and leave them. I would need confirmation that these are biodegradable. But that's something super awesome, and if these are good, I'll probably will buy them, even though they are sort of expensive. The wipes retail for $24 in a big pack, and the face balm is $36. But I personally use face wipes every time I go camping. So much easier than trying to wash your face with a bottle of water or a jug of water. And secondly, if you're camping in the winter or in the fall when it's pretty chilly, you don't want to pour a cold bottle of water on your face. So I prefer face wipes. However, a lot of face wipes tend to be sticky, and then it kind of defeats the purpose because then all the dirt sticks to your face, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna give these a try. If I like them, I will buy more, only because I personally know I use face wipes a lot when I'm camping. This is probably a woman thing. I don't know, maybe you like face wipes too. But I don't know, I am gonna give some of these products a try. And if I'm really ranting and raving about them, I will buy the full size and I will do a video about it. So stay tuned for more Nomadik unboxings and let me know what product you would try.